Oh, August, what a month you were. I had 2 hospital stays and had a surgery. What fun is that? But I still managed to get a lot of crafts done. Let's start with things that aren't baby related. First thing I made was this vinyl bag. This is a huge pain in the butt. This bag should have taken 15 minutes tops. 15 minutes tops, and I think it took probably an hour. The vinyl kept on getting stuck. I had to seam rip a few times. The zippers, you could tell, all wavy. But the end result's pretty nice. And I plan on getting some tearaway stabilizer to be able to do it again. This next item is from one of my husband's old button-down shirts. I'm currently making a vest out of it, and this is from one of the shirt sleeves, and it already comes with the buttons. And I just put 2 seams up the side, and look, it's a perfect headphone pouch. The next thing I was playing around with is donuts. I love donuts. And this is one I made for my daughter. As she gets older, I'm gonna make her so much play food, I can already tell you that. And these are a pair of mouse ears I made. They're super cute, super sprinkly. And I'm gonna sell them on Etsy. The next thing I made was this cute little knot headband. I plan on making a tutorial for this. I have the footage filmed, but once again, in the hospital, getting surgery, have a baby. It's not edited. So I hope to get to that. I really love how this looks. The top of it's probably off camera, but oh well, it's super cute. And the last thing I made that wasn't for my baby is this awesome thrifted jean jacket that I thrifted these bed sheets. I almost redonated these bed sheets because they were so pilled up. And then I looked up, how can I fix that? And I took a razor blade to them, and it looks like it's brand new again. I'm so in love with this jacket. I can't wait for fall to start sporting it. And along with that jacket comes a mini jacket for my little one with cool little shoulder patches. This is gigantic on her right now. It says it's 6 to 12 months. She's almost 5. I think she'll be wearing this for a very long time. The next thing I made is this little bandana bib, completely from a onesie. And I happened to find the same onesie again at the thrift store, so now she can have a bib that just hides in her shirt. Where'd the bib go? This blanket I've been wanting to make before she was even born, and I finally got to it. It's pretty big. It has some alligators on it, some other little patterns, and my favorite is this textured minky. I think it's going to be, whenever she starts getting into feeling different textures, I think it's going to be great. And then I'm going to a baby shower this month, well, in September. So, got a few things off their baby registry, and I also know they really, really love dinosaurs. So I made some dinosaur burp rags. I found this really cute fabric at Joann's. I have one of each in each fabric, and the back of it's just lined in fleece? Yes, fleece. Fleece, flannel, so many F's. So I'm really happy with those. So here's 4 burp rags. And here's another 4 more. I thought this was really cute for a little boy or a little girl. Things don't need to be genderized. So I made one of each, another one for the baby shower, and then one of my cousins is having a baby, so I plan on sending one of them to her. And then I made these alphabet burp rags. I thought this fabric was so cute. I made one for my little girl, and then I'm going to send one to my cousin as well. Next up is a stroller wrap. My stroller has one of those, I don't even know how to describe it, kind of mushy, and it just feels like it's going to suck in every germ it can possibly. And I like to go thrifting, and I'm also a germaphobe, so I made a stroller wrap. So that way this can be washed, germs aren't sinking right into the foamy stroller handle, and it's reversible. And this fabric is so awesome, it glows in the dark. It's a little wrinkly because it gets used. Staying with the baby theme is I'm starting to make cube blocks for my little girl. This one is all dinosaur themed. I almost said lion. This really looks like a lion, don't you think? It does kind of look like it has a mane, right? Anyways, I love this block. I love how colorful it is. This one has the names of the dinosaurs. The Spinosaurus, this Tyrannosaurus Rex. And I put a little leaf on here. I'm not sure how it's going to last whenever she starts ripping at things, but she's going to be supervised and we'll see how it does. It has some textures on it, a lot of different colors. Keeping with the dinosaur theme, let's just call this month Dino Month, is a little dinosaur heart pouch on a shirt. Shirt was pretty plain. She has lots of cute clothing, so I wanted to put something on it that would actually make me reach for it. So a little pink Tyrannosaurus Rex. And last but not least is my most favorite creation. I have an obsession. Leah! Stop making noise! Leah, come. Sit. Good girl. No? No? Someone gonna knock on our door? No? My most favorite creation I did this month, and it's not finished yet, but a majority of it is this Xena Warrior Princess onesie. Excuse me! Not everyone can be what you want it to be. Stop crawling on your belly like a worm. As I was so rudely interrupted by my dog, a Xena Warrior Princess onesie. I've been looking and looking for brown onesies, and then I hit the mother lode at the thrift store. I got one in each size that she will be up to, I think, 18 months. Shh! I'm talking here. Thanks. Rude. And this is my first attempt, and I am so impressed with it. I cosplay as Xena before. I love Xena. As you can tell, I had to put this here for you. You know, whenever your husband and wife say that they're one, she's my one. I still want to add the back plate to it. It doesn't have that drawn yet. But the breastplate is looking awesome. I'm in love with it. So, a big pile of crafts later, and that's what we have. And then we have a dog. A dog. What are you even doing? What do you do with your life? Oh, what's up, puppy? If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos and more dog in the future, go ahead and subscribe. I cannot promise if there'll be more dog.